Jurong Bird Park is a tourist attraction in Singapore managed by Wildlife Reserves Singapore. It is a landscape park built on the western slope of Jurong Hill. Birds and Buddies Show, formerly called the All-Star Bird Show. This bird show showcases a large number of species of performing birds in a single act. Besides highlighting the antics of talented birds like the mimicking cockatoos, this show is also a window for visitors to the natural behavior of birds like pelicans, flamingos and hornbills. Penguin Show. Penguin Coast houses 6 species of penguins within 1600 square meters, featuring a 21-meter tall Portuguese galleon facade designed to resemble a ship. The interior of Penguin Coast is constructed with timber beams and wooden flooring. Penguin Coast is home to Hamdot, Rockhopper, Macaroni, Fairy and King penguins which live in an indoor climate-controlled den as well as an outdoor penguin enclosure. It is located within the Boon Lay planning area of the Jurong district and has an area of 2 lakh square meters. On 3rd January 1971, Jurong Bird Park, built at a cost of 3.5 million Singapore dollars, was open to the public. Visitors will also learn about falconry as these birds are put through their actions in a simulated hunt. The African waterfowl aviary is the world's largest walk-in aviary with more than 1,500 free-flying birds from over 50 species. Visitors may hop aboard the Panorail, the world's only monorail that runs through an aviary. Jurong Falls, which is located within the African waterfowl aviary, is the world's tallest man-made waterfall in an aviary at 30 meters high. Species include golden-breasted starling, terracos, and hopi. Flightless birds. In one corner of the zoo, there is a section full of flightless birds. Showcasing jackass penguins, one of the few species that are adapted to the tropics. Joining them are the Cape shieldbugs and gulls. Public. Jurong Bird Park is now a world-famous bird zoo where there are specimens of magnificent bird life from around the world, including a flock of 1001 flamingos. It is currently the world's largest bird park in terms of number of birds and second largest in terms of land area after Germany's Vogelpark Walsrode. There are 4,600 birds of 380 species in Jurong Bird Park. Of these, 29 are of endangered species. Birds of Prey Show. Visitors can watch birds of prey such as eagles, hawks and falcons who will fly in aerial loops and soar above the treetops. Visitors will also learn about falconry as these birds are put through their actions in a simulated hunt. You can have lunch with the birds. Visitors can enjoy a beautiful view of the Flamingo Lake while they enjoy breakfast. Monorail. The Jurong Park Monorail is the world's only monorail system that runs through an aviary. The Monorail has three stations, namely Main Station, Lorry Station and Waterfall Station.